Assalamu alaikum. After a long time, again we are here to take another grammar class. I hope you all are well. Today we will learn another new topic from our grammar workbook unit number 20 and you will get it in page number 76 and 77. So what is our today's topic? Today we will learn about use of to, TO2 and TWO2. TO2 and TWO2, these two sounds so same, but they do not mean the same meaning. So let's start from TWO2. What is to? This is numbered adjective. That means TWO2. This is 2. The object that you can count. Like I have how many marker here? Only one marker. But I can show you these 2 pens. How many pens are there? 2 pens. 1, 2. So if there is any object, if there is any rhyming word that you can count, it will be TO2, like 2 pens, 2 markers, 2 pencils, 2 erasers, 2 books, 2 copies, 2 bags, etc. like this. And TO2, what can we say about TO2? When we will use to we will use when there is anything that we want. Like I want to say, I want to go, he wants to sleep, he wants to play, you want to listen, like this. Or we can say that when there will be a place name, like I want to go to the mosque. Listen, when there is like he wants to go to the mosque, he wants to go to the mosque. So this 2 and 2, we have used to twice. So what is it? He wants to go. Listen, go is a doing word, a verb. Before that I have used to and to the mosque. So the mosque is a place. So in this time we have used also to. So when you are going to a place, you are going somewhere, then we can use to. Like I want to go to the school, I want to go to the mosque, I want to go to my bed, like this. Or he wants to go. When this time we have used to before a verb. You are desiring something, you are wanting something, you want to do something. Like I want to say, I want to play, I want to see, I want to watch, I want to go, I want to buy. So when we will use TO2 and TWO2 in a same sentence, let's do an exercise. I want dash take dash candies. I hope you already guess what will sit here. I want dash take dash candies. So when we will, where we will use TO2 and where we will use TWO2. Look, take, this is a verb. So what will we do here? TO2 or TWO2? Definitely TO2. I want to take, because we cannot write here TWO2 take. What to? To means to. It will be number adjective. I want to take. I want to take what? I want to take 2 candies. That means you have to use TO2. You want to take. I want to take 2 pens or 2 candies. Again another example here. It is dash minutes dash 10. 10 or 11, 12, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minutes. So you can understand that it's regarding time. So it is dash minutes dash 10. The options are TO2, TWO2. So what will you use here? It is dash minutes. We can count minutes by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 like this. So what will be here? It will be TWO2. It is 2 minutes to 10. That means let me show you the clock here. So you know that when this big hand goes to 12 and this short hand goes to 10 or any number, so what will be the time here? When the short hand is here, so it means the hour. So 10. But I have said here it is 2 minutes to 10. Let me show you. So it is just 10 o'clock. But I say 2 minutes left. So it's not properly 10. 2 minutes is still left. After 2 minutes it will be 10. So you have to understand that it is 2 minutes. When you will see these minutes and these options, that time you have to remember that we can count in number when it will be minutes or hours, or you can say it is 2 hours to 10. It will be also okay. That will be in your sentence. You have to understand the meaning of the sentences and then think about it. So in a short, I will show something to understand it clearly. When there will be verb, actually it will be before verb. Before any verb, or it will be a place name. And look carefully, when there will be place, we will use an article. It will be a, an, or the. Like, I want to go to the dining table at 2 o'clock. That means when it will be 2 o'clock, you will go to the dining table to take your lunch. So before any verb, like I want to take, or I am going to take my lunch to the dining table at 2 o'clock. And 2. Before any verb or place, it will be to. And before any naming word or object, we will use TWO2. So before this naming word, all are naming words, like a mosque, it's also a naming word, but it's definitely a place. When we will use TO2 and TWO2, we have to keep it in mind that what is using here as place and what is using here as naming word or objects. So before that place, I have already said that before place we will use the article, and before naming words or objects we will not use that type of article, just a number adjective, like 2 pens, 2 candies, 2 toys. It can be adjective also, like 2 nice pens, 2 red pens, like 2 tasty candies, 2 yummy apples, everything. So before any verb or place it will be 2, and before place there will be an article. Before any naming word or object, this will be TWO2. Okay. And page number 77, there are some exercises. It will be your homework. That's it for today. I hope you will all do the homework and keep practicing. Take care.